Prepare to be enchanted. This stately English Tudor home is perfectly situated in the Northeast Beaumont Alameda neighborhood on a coveted lot. Gracious in size and scale, it's been thoughtfully preserved in a grand 1931 design. Expansive outdoor spaces invite you to relax and unwind. Heading inside, discover white oak floors, banks of leaded glass windows, exposed beams, fine millwork, and abundant natural light. French doors open to a covered patio, a huge gas fire pit, and intimate spaces to entertain while listening to the sounds of the water features, including a mini Multnomah Falls. Entertaining is easy with an elegant dining room that retains its original character. And a chef's kitchen with heated floors, a Wolf 6-burner cooktop, 2 dishwashers, double ovens, a copper farmhouse sink, and a prep sink. You'll find additional built-in custom storage and a breakfast nook. Enjoy a privately located office with built-ins. Upstairs, you'll find a dreamy owner's suite with a luxurious bath including ceramic heated floors, fine finishes, shower, and a clawfoot tub. This home of more than 5,300 square feet has 5 large bedrooms and 3.5 baths. On the lower level, the home theater with custom cabinetry is ready for movie night. You'll also enjoy a Sonos system with amps for wired indoor and outdoor speakers, a home security system, and zoned heating and cooling. Living here, you're close to fantastic restaurants, shopping, Providence, Portland, and Whole Foods. An exceptional opportunity. It's all here on Wistaria Drive, and it's ready for you to call home. For more information, please contact Shannon Montgomery with Premier Property Group.